Ebusiafo, me person me bisa question. What is the relationship between Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and the NDC? What is the relationship between Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and the NDC? Because Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Babontin Bekachire say NDC government na waba 10 months I want to me and young Kolane car for 10 good months. Only she like only fought be like only fought be a woman. Obetuma kasa afan ene Kelvin Taylor any most of these NDC food soldiers now mukasa na NDC no they are campaigning heavily for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Mukai who say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong kachire say we lose 2023 election na primaries na all fee party no more or betie but Donyame say he's in bed with the NDC. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is in bed with the NDC because there's nothing on earth that can make Kelvin Taylor to support Kennedy with Donyame. I just say omu agenda say they want to person go MPP no. There's nothing on earth that will make Kelvin Taylor to support Kennedy Agyapong unless our agenda and our agenda they say they want to person go MPP and the delegate for Munyansa. You people should learn. Bisa who say campaign na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and then I'll catch them or see or back or baby ejuma and I say and I be ejuma and I have workers 7,000. Bisa who say ask yourself say a crobias would do your investigation and see say a crobias do government provide jobs or see companies or yes and money in be the government no create avenue or create atmosphere for people to come and create job for the people. A Juma who call different countries now. The only job the government produce they say military, nurses, teachers, those are the government workers. But who Juma no? And it is the responsibility of the government to create the avenue, the atmosphere for those people to come and invest into your country, for you to get job and do. Bisa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong said after the job no, say what to me be a Juma no kramamia. Would you kana? Is that all? No, that is not all. Mumbi they say. After the job, what is next? And now me, I can boast my chest and tell you, say, that is why Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, or the credit score system back. Because who there be some why we ye Juma would 500 cedis a month? Who rent cry saying. But when you go to other countries, we call America and India, a Juma na why ye no. Ye betin in kankakakra nyama bebre na nkofo enjoy your Europe near the other. They pay small. That is the credit score system. But because of bibini a general formant no one person mo beti sa asem na say and juma ni ho and na nkofo na mo ye juma ni say even in America we have unemployment there. What you say? And then Trump or Biden or say or pamu immigrants if krono. Because of Philise, immigrants ebejin ko fejuma ye. Me donya me say mu de mu sort me see. Me every day I keep on saying it. If Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the president here, Obia and the president or MPP, the effort, the energy that we use to support, use the support for our court 2 terms and say we winning here. We take the same energy as supporting President Nanado, and also call no be winning. The same energy na the be supporting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And to be on pay piano, na ye misu me kachere mo say yeso ye twem mu Kennedy for no yes
hyehyɛ nipa bi hwɛ ebiani abayewa wei deɛ ma MPP for ende asme no wɔka sei nkɔfoɔ kasa sɛ odiba omi akyi obi di bɔne wɔ MPP mu a ɔno energy sika ɛkɔ beeli nipa no saa abayewa wei yɛfrɛ no akosua menu abayewa wei na ɔyɛ adwuma bi a na ɛyɛ adwuma a sɛbio ɔmo bu nkɔfoɔ edi nkɔfoɔ dwirim na ɔka saa adwuma no ho saa adwuma no yɛbɛte ne to a yɛbɛhu sɛ ɔma bɔ nkɔfoɔ korɔ no awia Ghanafoɔ dodoɔ sika edi ɛyɛ atoro akyerɛ ɔmo no ɛna ɔtwe ne ho trɔm ɛna ɔkɔ join NPP ɔjoin NPP adekudie ntia mam benya MPP card ne sɛ ɔne Mark Menu ba kɔtwe mpena ma ne di no ma ne bɛwoyɛ ɛna ɔse ne yere no ɛna yɛde ma MPP card ɔyɛ akɔra ne hwene ɛbɔ ne nim ɛkyɛn bini saa abayewa wei kɔ MPP mu a Ekufuado ne yere ba power na okuta Ekufuado yere bag handbag ni claim to fame ne say Mark Menu a na ɔyɛ MPP ni ba ene ne dae ene ma ne bɛyɛ MPP ni ba yere eno na ɛma ne di MPP ni mu ɛdeɛn asɛm na abayewa bi na no aka because me kyerɛw Mahamud Bawumia ne su ene ne ban onigu kwan ho no aba bebusa mo sɛ hwan na kɔneyɛ ade a ɔyɛ no ɔde sebio ateni ahyɛ nkɔfoɔ ano ɔde sebio ɔyaw ahyɛ nkɔfoɔ ano ɛna wahohoro ne to abegyina sɛ ɔyɛ sala abra onim sɛ sebio agyanan na esi wɔ no ɔno ne twa ne to but wane awie abegyina sɛ ɔde deɛn ɔyɛ sala akosrɛ onyankopɔn bɔ ne fakyɛ Bawumia yɛ nipa ɔnka ne korɛ akosrɛ man anyway ɔka Bawumia ɔmo kasama Bawumia ɔmo di Bawumia akyi a ne campaign no odi mu tim man ɛdeɛ na waka ɔse Kennedy Agyapong, you are the biggest threat. Kennedy Agyapong is the biggest threat to Ghana's democracy. Abayewa we bi na kache Kennedy say wo ye ka Ghana kebi ma kebi a una ye busuefo a una hu ehu e wo Ghana kebi ma kebi mu una de korinti wakasa Kennedy Agyapong anka asem ye ndi obi atam Kennedy Agyapong anka asem ye ndi obi atam o say ono de 2024 elections no sibia na ekono na ye lose presidential and ye lose some parliamentary seats na edum pempen so bi ehu say ye lose presidential no but na e was senke ye twen na parliamentary ye kan ni nyina ewie ne ehu bebi a ye wo enti Mahamud Bawumia ba abontene ebeka se wagye eye den election atum no eye ne ya ohun se entwa ye efri se ye kopretum ya ye pre-presidential and parliamentary inti adenti na presidential se enko ye kura won twen ema ye wie parliamentary no ne yehu se we ne nyaaye inti ono de senka ono se enka ono that means na enyo no senka ono enanka ye Bawumia anka onjintum ekopem se ya kan presidential akan parliamentary ewie eno no bone ben na Kennedy Agyapong aka ena kostua menu America kire de se onkodi Kennedy Agyapong atam Saba you away person obey MP wa denta. Inti adia chia no patututu no kwatena Metro TV no so hwe. Me kasama Bawumia. Ye ka kebi mami kebi o Ghana. Kennedy Agyapong oye musuefo ye nipa ni hu okunipa. Ye ka say you are a threat. Ye ka say anybody is a threater. That person could be a murderer. That person could be an assassin. That person could be anything. Inti ye ka say you are a threat. Ye ka say ye de sa word in the toswa, you represent everything. Akosua menu at the end of the day, I also your bawo okunuda ne chino ebegina TV so kaze Kennedy, he represents everything dangerous. He's a threat to Ghana's democracy. How did we get here? How did we get here? What was the mistake if you decide to make sure election results are counted to the core? A mistake na wo. Dear Bonnie, say I can't election and can't we now we try me I can't in what makes you a danger to democracy? Some people decide to go out and wait and listen to results. Inti sa Kennedy ka say kwara mo ne nya adwene. Na so mo hu ni sa asem no kan enya mo da. There is a fine way to address Kennedy Agyapong. But Bawumia on na yire no, almost setting kwara way up. And there yan say Kennedy Agyapong si super ma ewo so twen sa akosua mani we wuro no ho Kennedy betwam Kennedy Agyapong start pɛ ma awo sɛ ɔtwe wabɔ jantra wo edi nkwasi asɛm time na ɔyɛ bɛrima gyina ne na sɛ sɛ ɔntumi nto no pa time na ɔyɛ bɛrima ɔtumi gyina ɛyɛ ne kotodwe so bɔdɔgi no sɛ ohun akosua menu na akosua menu aworo no ho Kennedy betwam nti ɛyɛ den na akosua menu wei akosua menu wei na hwini sɛ bini etumi gyina hɔ edi Kennedy atam how but presidential akan parliamentary ewie ɛno no bɔne bɛn na Kennedy Agyapong aka.
All right, abusafo nyame sha bibia munim sɛ Kelvin Taylor we Jimmy pana me si Kelvin Taylor we Jimmy fo we Jimmy ni obi a onim nyansa ba ko sei Kelvin Taylor Jimmy ni na o hye ne yire kitchen rodom no oni nyansa ye kan mu dwi sɛ dey Kelvin Taylor MPP ni abemu corner ko ka kire government funa what the 4.4 billion a forest market mu se na be a dollar be ba for man kola no o ma kire ade 10 months o mun chia obukado corner ko kasas fasare no na jai MPP asem ka na ye ni abemu Kelvin Taylor nyansa ye friend nyansa e bi ni wutere mu ene o ka kire se Kennedy Agyapong si ono agi se electoral commission abe declare say we lose no enya de a ono obepini no wo Kelvin Taylor ne wo se wo do Ghana Kelvin Taylor wo pa kire say wo pe Ghana fo asem wo do Ghana nti wo ka kire say de Kennedy e kan ye no wo sisu ma wo nyame na tchao nyame be tchao kapa tchao bushafo nyina aka Kelvin Taylor Jimmy foi ma min kan kire wo se hwe sa kwose ade na mu eni Kennedy fo mu ye no ye hwem na mu ene mu Kelvin Taylor wo campaign ni ma ye friend say Kennedy ye boa wo campaign ni ma Kennedy de na Kennedy amfanye wo ene wo si Kennedy na mo pe na wo ye MPP fo ye nto abama Kennedy na min twamuka na insi ene na esi ekyina na kozi na wodi weni sini so no enkosi aganya maika nokra ne kire wo yesi enye de ehia ni se ka kire wa abanfu na wa bar so no ka kire mo se o mu ntwa nkola na ka nkola na ma edwuma 10 months o ma ntwa buka o mu tumidi 4.4 billion na ko she forest market mo se na be a dollar be ba fom no ko ka kire mo na MPP ni abemu jaya asem ma ye wusu we fie BP mu ukra wusu we fie BP mu kra wo ko ho no 2024 kra no NDC fo age watom ba wo ka kire say na kozi no oba recently na ye gina atom yes ye be gina atom because ye nim de obetuma ye na ye nim de obetuma ye jajimie no na wenyi na che wo yire chicken kitchen say chicken hono na jajimie no wo so re wo say ya gbeni